Are you listing your home this spring? As a seller, you'll be making many important decisions, including how much access to give potential buyers. Hi, I'm Carrie Gonzalez with the Next Home Real Estate Rockstars. When marketing your home for sale, an important part of the listing process is allowing buyers to see your property. As a general rule, you should give potential buyers enough access to your house to allow them to make an informed decision on the purchase. Of course, as a seller, you want as much balance between providing access and protecting your privacy and security. The best practice is to schedule open houses or private showings with your real estate agent who can vet potential buyers and make sure they're serious about purchasing and not just looky-loos. Other ways of access include putting a lockbox on the door for licensed real estate agents to come through with their buyers. This would be by appointment only or limited access, meaning only on certain days and certain times. Ultimately, the level of access you want to provide buyers is a personal decision, and it will depend on your individual circumstances and preferences. But if you want to maximize the sale of your house, you can't limit potential buyer access. If your home's not accessible, it could cost you by sitting on the market longer. It's always best to discuss with your real estate agent your concerns so they can map out a strategy that works for you. Contact my team and I today, and we can help strategize on the sale of your home and guide you every step of the way. You deserve to get the most money out of your home investment. Again, I'm Carrie Gonzalez with the Next Home Real Estate Rockstars.